Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want your website to stand out with unique typography, uploading any custom fonts in Webflow is your way to go. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload and use custom fonts in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for Webflow in your favorite browser, tap on the link, go ahead, use your email address and password to actually log into your basically site or website. As for now, you can either go and check basically these settings to see options here such as search, e-commerce, localization, interface. You can tap then on interface, look for brighter, darker, whatsoever. You can basically even go for search index, basically add CMS or business associates to unlock full site search functionality. You can do that too. Basically, you have multiple options. We also have this audit, we have find anything. We also have interactions, chat sections, variables, components, assets, libraries, and apps. So when you go and open basically or look for any fonts, for example, we're gonna go tap fonts here, go to elements, for example, add elements, add the section page elements, add the search. Okay, so for example, when you find the fonts tab, upload the custom font files by tapping on upload font and select your font files such as .waf or .ttf, then assign the font or weights and styles. Choose the correct weights and style for each file, then save the changes. Then you can basically go and open the Webflow here designer. I'm already in this designer actually. So basically, if I want to check all of this, I just tap on this arrow right here. I can see the home, about, and all of these options. We also have these settings if you want to. As you see, home settings, open graph settings. We have this template, graph description, open graph image, use an image at least whatsoever. You can even basically pick and upload one if you want to. You can even include custom code. You can do basically whatever you want. Dashboard, we can go back or basically go back to the dashboard to access our settings there. You can tap on settings here, general, the name and all of these options, icons, web clip, options of your website. Basically, you can access the fonts from here also. Just tap on fonts, then tap on upload here, then upload the file as I told you before. And that's it. After all of this, just tap publish or open in Webflow. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.